Hi friends, welcome back to the other side. We are back with a new video. So let's begin it. Friends, the topic of today's video is about corruption. So let's start it. In today's video, we will be discussing few questions related to corruption, like what is corruption? What is the main cause for corruption? Who are mainly involved in this corruption? How to prevent this? And also, we will be discussing about few anti-corruption programs. So guys, what is corruption? Corruption is a form of dishonesty or criminal offense undertaken by a person or an organization entrusted with a position of authority. This is done to acquire illicit benefit or abuse power for one's own private gain. Corruption can occur on different scales. Corruption ranges from small favors and between less people to corruption that affects the government on a large scale and the corruption which is so prevalent in the everyday society. The prevalent corruption includes large amounts of people. What is the cause for corruption? According to a 2017 survey study, the following factors have been attributed as causes for corruption: greed for money, desires, higher level of market and political monopolization, lower levels of democracy, weak civil participation, and low political transparency. These are identified as the causes for corruption. Who are mainly involved in corruption? Corruption may involve many activities like bribery and embezzlement, though it may also involve many practices that are legal in many of the countries. Corruption may involve many people. They may be small or large. Corruption may involve big corporates, small employees, government employees or private employees, many political leaders, etc. A political corruption occurs when an office holder or other governmental employee acts in an official capacity for personal gain. How to prevent corruption? The first and the foremost way is to follow our money. With this, we can shed light on how our country's taxes are being spent and expose any abuses. We can raise topics about anti corruption in comics, cartoons, movies, music, dance, or drama. We can also form some groups and bring awareness among people against corruption. Few anti-corruption programs. The whole world is striving to stop corruption. There are many anti-corruption programs conducted all around the world which educate the people and bring awareness among them. Few are Independent Commission Against Corruption, Crime and Corruption Commission, Anti-Corruption Commission, Central Anti-Corruption Bureau, Integrity Commission, etc. And 9th December is observed as International Anti-Corruption Day. So let's follow it. How is demonetization of India connected to anti-corruption? Due to the demonetization of 500 and 1000 rupees notes which was declared on 8th November, many corrupts were arrested and much black money was found. All the corrupts who were not caught burnt, buried, or tore all the black money in their houses. This was a great anti-corruption movement done by our Indian government. The whole credit goes to Mr. Narendra Modi and the BJP government which has done this. Most probably, our next video will be on Narendra Modi or the BJP government. That's for today, friends. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel, The Other Side. Thank you, friends. Keep watching.